welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today we're making Nanaimo bars. I haven't made this in decades, so let's do it. A cup of ground cracker crumbs, half a cup of shredded coconuts, third of a cup of chopped almonds, quarter cup of cocoa powder, quarter cup of white sugar. Mix this up a bit. Add the butter and one beaten egg. Just dump it all in there, mix it all up. Everything's all mixed up good. Preheat your oven at 350. Grease a pan, 9-inch pan roughly. Get that all greased up. Dump our filling in there. Take our base and we're just gonna push it down, spread it out. Roughly about a 9-inch cake pan. Mine is a little too small. Improvise, work with that. Yeah, there we go. Bake that in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes till it's all set. Toss our base in the oven for about 10 minutes. Okay, we're gonna do our icing, the middle filling for the Nanaimo bars. Quarter cup of softened butter. 2 tablespoons of custard powder, Bird's custard powder. Mix this up. Add some icing sugar. Add some milk, icing sugar, milk. Our base is done, so it should be all firm, so we can pull it out. All firmed up, perfect. Let it cool off. Getting our icing going. Scrape the sides of the bowl. Touch of vanilla, and that part's done. Okay, so we're gonna take our icing, let it set in the fridge for about an hour. Cover it. Okay, let's put our icing onto the bar. You want it firm, but you don't want it too firm. Get all the icing on the. Spread it out. Spread the icing out. Is there enough icing on here? So it'll have to be enough. I don't like this recipe. Some recipes are good. Some. I gotta get my mom's recipe. I think that's better. This one sucks. Oh, and the Nanaimo bars cheap on icing. Make it better next time. Now we make the chocolate. Okay, we have a double boiler there. Toss our chocolate in there. Chopped up chocolate there. Tablespoon of butter. Gonna melt the chocolate up. That's not enough chocolate, so I'm dumping chocolate chips in there. Quarter cup or so. Melt those up. Have to adjust the recipe on the fly. I think that's a little better. I guess this is called tempering the chocolate. A bit more time because we want it pretty soft. Yes, part of being a cook, even a baker, sometimes you have to improvise recipes because they're terrible. All right, now I put it on top of our Nanaimo bars. Okay, so we're gonna toss our chocolate over our Nanaimo bar. Better get it quick. Getting all the chocolate in there. Get it on top of the Nanaimo bar. Best we can here. So much for liquidy chocolate. It's working, it's working. It's gonna spread the chocolate out. Okay, I haven't made these in a while. Okay, I'm doing okay. Spread it out the best you can. Give our Nanaimo bar a try. Looking good. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, like, and do make some Nanaimo bars.